Westmoreland, appearing on behalf of Mr. Reyna. Mr. Reyna, would you please state your name for the record?
It's Eleanor Reyna.
All right, thank you. Today's the date scheduled for probation violation. Your client's on probation for operating while intoxicated. And that was reduced from a high BAC. Well, the high BAC was dismissed. He was sentenced October 31st, had 2 violations. Since then, March 13th and May 1st, and today it's alleged he tested positive for cocaine and marijuana, failed to attend outpatient, failed to appear for drug testing on August 25th, and the positive test was August 21st. And counsel?
Yes, Your Honor, I did have an opportunity to speak to Mr. Reyna regarding these allegations, and at this time, we are prepared to waive any sort of contested hearing and enter a guilty plea to the allegations.
Okay. Sir, please raise your right hand. You solemnly swear from the testimony about to give this matter the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
That's what I gotta say.
What?
Well, I couldn't hear you say what, miss?
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I agree.
Okay. All right. And so you heard the allegations, correct?
Yes, miss. But I have this other piece of paper that it wasn't in my files, and it was from the court saying I completed a chemical awareness program. I got it right here. I'm at court right now, just to show more respect. I don't know if you were able to come down and see this paper real quick.
We're not here about your failure to.
I know that, but
awareness program.
I'm just saying, it's not in my files, so I came down just to say that,
Okay, well, I appreciate that, sir. And yes, we have proof that you completed the chemical awareness program because you're not violated for that.
Okay. And okay.
Sir, as to the allegations, how do you plead?
I plead guilty for it, that I done it.
Okay. And sir, you've gone over your advice and rights with your attorney, correct?
Yes, miss.
And you understand all those rights, correct?
Yes, miss.
And you also understand by entering into a plea, you'll be waiving some of those rights, specifically your right to a contested hearing.
Yes, miss.
And you also understand the possible penalty as a result of your plea, correct?
Yes, miss.
Okay. And you also understand the recommendation here is specifically for you to revoke probation, or have probation revoked, pay a $50 probation violation fee, 30 days jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, miss, but I can't really.
Hold on, we'll get to that in a moment. And knowing all that, you still want to continue with your plea?
Guilty, yeah.
Okay. Has anybody promised or anything, threatened you or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No, miss.
All right. And counsel, you may want to do your client, please.
Sure. Mr. Reyna, are you currently on probation out of the Wyandotte District Court?
What do you mean?
Are you on probation out of the
I'm on
court that you're
probation.
sitting in currently?
Yes, I'm on probation. Yes, sir.
As a term and condition of your probation, are you to not test positive for any drugs or alcohol that you don't have a prescription for?
I wouldn't test for nothing right now.
That wasn't my question. My question was, as a term and condition of your probation, are you to not test positive for any drugs or alcohol?
Oh, yes, sir.
Did you in fact test positive for cocaine and marijuana on August
sir.
21st?
Yes, sir.
Sir, you need to please let Mr. Westmoreland complete the question before you answer it. We're recording and it can only pick up one at a time, please, okay?
I hear you.
And did you fail
Okay,
to test
very
as
good.
ordered by probation on August 25th of this year?
Yes, sir.
And you understand that both testing positive for drugs and failing to test is a direct violation of your probation?
Yes, sir.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied the plea is knowing, voluntary, and factually accurate. The court will accept your plea to the probation violations, indicate technical violations 4, 5, and 6. And counsel asks for the recommendation.
Yes, Your Honor. I would just be asking for leniency on behalf of Mr. Reyna. He's 21 years old. He's extremely apologetic for his actions. He is gainfully employed at Beast Construction full-time. I would just ask that any jail time be suspended at this time and have that set for a review. Give Mr. Reyna one last opportunity to prove to this honorable court that he can be a good candidate for probation.
Yes, Miss. Would I be able to speak?
Go ahead, sir.
Yeah. I've been trying my best. You know, I haven't had any other accidents. I haven't got any cops. Like no, like nothing gone wrong. You know, I've been doing good. I haven't came up with any drug tests wrong, but I have been doing my therapy. I've been doing my GED. I have class at 5 to 7 during the day. I would have got a paperwork that confirms I'm in GED, but she opens until 5 to 7. So that's during the day, you know. And I just been doing honestly really good, you know. I know I can mess up and I really apologize for that. But I haven't done any like crime. I haven't done nothing that could ruin my future, or it could, but I haven't done anything. I haven't got no tickets for anything, driving illegally. I'm not doing any of that. I'm not driving off the influence of any drug. Anything else, it's no. I haven't done it. I haven't been drinking or driving. I've been staying away from that. But it's just a mess up that I know that I could do better at. And you know, I'm a good kid, you know. I really work. I work hard. And I just wanna have the best come out of me, you know. I'm a good kid. You know, I work.
Sir?
Yes,
Okay,
miss.
here's a few things. The first thing is that your last violation was for use of alcohol. And the court indicated 30 days on the alcohol tether and mandatory jail for future violation. In addition, your violation before that was use of cocaine and failed to submit to a drug test. And two of your allegations are you failed to test, and you also tested positive for cocaine.
I hear you, miss, and it's just a big
Well,
apology.
I'm glad that you hear me, because you must not have heard me very well the last time in May when you were here. Because not only did you violate one time, you violated 3 times. Twice for the same thing that you just violated for earlier for your first violation.
It's just a big apology. I apologize for that. And
Well,
I
appreciate your apology, but that apology is not keeping you out of jail. You cannot follow this court's orders. You now have your 6th violation. 6 violations that you've had. You don't get any more chances.
I hear you. I just need one more, miss. I just need one more.
No, I just said you do not get any more chances. I just said no more chances. Your chances are done. This court's order in May was any future violations will result in mandatory jail. So jail it is, sir. That's what it is.
It can't, Miss. How am I gonna be able to pay for my stuff? I'm paying court right now. I got fine.
Sir, let me remind you of this. When you were here in May, I indicated mandatory jail for any future violation. You have it on your probation, your amended probation order that you received after your last violation hearing. You were on notice as to what would happen if you violated again. You were on notice. You knew that if you violated again, you were going to jail. Mandatory jail. Not only did you violate once, you violated 3 times.
I get that, Miss, but how am I going to be able to?
Really 4 because you had marijuana in your system as well as cocaine.
Miss, the marijuana, I don't even do marijuana. That's just me being downtown and helling marijuana outside. People smoke every day. Cops don't even care when you're downtown smoking marijuana. No one cares. I'm not saying I don't care personally, but I'm saying when I walk by, there's people smoking stuff this big, and I can't tell them what to do.
Cause you to test positive
yes, it does,
Miss.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does, Miss. You do not know how much smoke comes out that long of a cigarillo, Miss. In front of cops, me passing by. You're laughing too, Miss. Like,
no, you know, sir, I'm laughing because I'm telling you the science is that you cannot test positive.
I get that.
Are you telling me? Stop. You want me to believe that while you're walking past somebody downtown.
Yeah, I do want you to believe me.
You're going to just inhale that much is going to cause you to test positive.
Yeah, Miss, yeah, what can I say? Do you want to go? You got it. What can I say? Well,
sir,
I need to pay my court. I need to work. My dad doesn't work anymore. He was the one that used to help me out. I'm the only one working at home now. That's it. I only got a couple $100 to do, and jail time is not gonna help me, you know. And I need to work. That's the thing, and I'm really apologetic for being on bad terms and doing stuff that is not right. And it's a big apologies for it. I try to do better. I haven't done anything else. I haven't driven legally. I got here. My parents took me here. My parents are here with me. They brought me here, and I try to do. I'm just a really apologetic guy, and I'm the only one that's working right now, and I need to pay that off. Jail time is not.
Sir, then you know what? Then before you decided to violate this court's orders again for the 4th, 5th, and 6th times, you should have kept that in mind. That should have been your focus, and that should have been your motivation. If jail wasn't,
I don't have anybody to help me now. I don't have anybody to help me. I hear you, and I know, and I haven't been thinking about it, but I need to pay this off, and jail time is not going to do me any right, and I apologize for everything I did.
Sir, there are punishments for actions. There's accountability for actions, right? The accountability for your actions, sir, is 30 days jail. And that's what you're doing. So the court officer's right there, and that's what's happening. 30 days jail, revoked probation, case closed on improvement, $50 probation violation fee.
So is that gonna take off the probation?
You're no longer on probation, you're going to serve 30 days and 30 days jail and you're done.
There's nothing else I can do?
No, not at all, sir, no. You can stop using cocaine, that would be a start. All right, good luck to you, sir.